Razapis. Assalamualaikum Razapis. So this is my plant that I told about you in our call, and this is start to grow. You can see this is going up and up, and look, the leaves is coming out. This is looking so cute. This is a baby plant, and I think tomorrow is her birthday. I think tomorrow is its birthday, so I should make a baby plant cake. Before giving this little baby plant water, I just put my finger and check if this soil is wet or is not wet. If this is wet, I will not give this plant water, and if this wet, I will not give this plant water, and if this is not wet, I will give this water, because if I give this water in not gap, so plant will be not grow. Plant need one day gap food. Okay, bye bye.